JSAUX USB Type-C adapter 4-pack aluminum USB-C to micro USB convert connector with keychain charger compatible Samsung Galaxy S10, S9, S8 Plus Note 9 8-pixel LG V20 G5 Moto ZZ2 Nintendo SWITCH. Great all-round adapter. It allows you to connect a USB-C device with a standard micro USB cable for charging, sync or data transfer. For some specific model, you need to install a USB drive for sync and data transfer. Portable anti-lost keychain. New improved portable anti-lost keychain for easy carry with your keys, bags, purses, convenient to use anywhere. Fast charging and sync. High-speed quick charge and sync for Type-C device by connecting with the standard micro USB cable. Easy to use, minimalist design without any installation required, just simply plug and play. What you get: we provide this JSAUX USB Type-C adapter 4-pack with 18-month warranty and 24/7 customer service. Compatible with all USB-C devices: Samsung Galaxy S10, S9, S8, Note 9 8s, iPad Pro, LG G5, G6, LG V20, V30, Google Pixel and more. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.